This problem occurs in HP computers 2570p. It does not boot. It blinks like that. Unbootable and blinks. And I will show you how to fix this. Remove battery. Remove back panel. Three screws that hold the keyboard. Remove them. Be careful not to break the keyboard when removing it. It's held in place by small plastic pins. And then remove the wider cord. You can also remove the narrower cord. And after the wider cord is removed, just put the battery back on. And then boot it up. And it, as you can see, it boots all right. It is the keyboard is the source of the error, but the keyboard is okay. There is no need to remove it. And once the computer is booted up, you just plug the cords, hot plug the cords of the keyboard back on. Okay, now the cords are on. And you put the keyboard back on. Don't push it to the bottom. You should leave a little room, wiggle room, so that the next time this problem occurs, you can easily remove the keyboard. So leave the right upper side not pushed to the bottom, like there. As you see, computer is on.
Täällä on tää. Siinä kuvassa näet sen toisen. Sitten tää.
So it is on, yes. And now it is time for you to put the back panel on. Screw the 3 screws a little bit. Do not put them to the bottom, just so that they hold, the screws hold themselves in place. And now, while the battery is on, put the back panel back on. You have to, the left side of the battery, you have to lift it a bit, but keep the right side of the battery on, so that the power does not go off from the computer. There is a little wiggle room and you can do it. Like that. Keep the right side of the battery at the bottom and the left side. And now, as you can see, all the battery and back panel are on. Power is on. I will show you how it works. I shut it down. And I power it on again. The boot up is a little slow because my computer is filled with files and stuff. So it should be faster with a clean system. And as you can see, it boots okay. No need to replace the keyboard as some have said. Okay, thanks for watching.